Hello, today we are going to write ionic compound formulas from the names. Let's first do a review of yesterday's work. For example, here we had zinc chloride, how we found that formula. We take the zinc and we take the chlorine. Chloride is the chlorine atom, and it's very easy. It has a -1 oxidation number. Now zinc's a little harder because it's a transition metal, but it is one of the few transition metals that has a pretty consistent oxidation number. You can guarantee, especially in this course, zinc will be a +2 and silver will be a +1. You need to write them on your formula sheet and remember that guy. So zinc, so we do the swap. This would be ZnCl2. Just like the example. Now this one's a little bit harder. We have iron and chloride. We'll put iron, Fe, chloride, Cl. We know chlorine is a -1 because it is a halogen. It has 7 valence electrons. It wants to gain 1 electron, so it'll have 1 extra negative charge, so it'll have a -1 oxidation number. Iron is a transition metal that could have many different oxidation numbers. So by the stock system, the current modern convention, we have a parentheses and a Roman numeral, and that tells us the oxidation number. So then we swap and we drop. FeCl2. We can look at this one. Now this is iron 3. Fe and be 3 plus and Cl minus. Swap it and then we drop it. FeCl3. Let's look at the next row. The next row says nitrate for our nonmetal. And you can be pretty sure if it does not end in IDE that it will be a polyatomic ion. Nitrate, NO3 with a negative. So, let's try one of these out. NO3 with a negative. We'll go right here to the tough one. NO3 and iron 2. We'll swap it, bring down the 2, bring down the 1, and then we drop the oxidation numbers. So that would be Fe. Now we need a parenthesis around this NO3 to tell us that there are 2 of them. Let's try one down here. Nitrate. Once again, NO3 and lead 4. Pb. And that would be a 4. Wow. Haven't had many of them before. Swap it, bring down the 4. So in our, that would be lead nitrate. Pb, parentheses, NO3 with a 4. Let's do lead oxide. Lead oxide. We would write Pb4. Oxygen is in the oxygen family. It has 6 valence electrons. It would gain 2 to get to 8, and so it would have a -2 charge, a -2 oxidation number. We're going to swap 4 and 2. Now, this is where we reduce if we need to. If these are not the lowest ratio, you need to reduce it to the lowest ratio of elements in the ionic crystalline compound. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice, so this would be PbO2. And we'll continue on the next video with going straight up interpreting the names.